Welcome to all. This video we discuss about the SQL Server interview questions and answers. Generally, the SQL Server is a relational database management system that is developed by Microsoft. Okay, it is primarily designed and developed to compete with the MySQL and Oracle database. The SQL Server supports ANSI SQL. The SQL or SQL means that is structured query language. Okay, then we have to see about the interview questions and answer. The first question: what is OLAP? Okay, the OLAP means the online analytical processing. It organizes large business databases and supports complex analysis. The OLAP is defined as the ability to achieve fast access to shared multidimensional information. Okay, that is the very important question. The second question is what is OLTP? The OLTP means online transaction processing. Okay, the online transaction processing is a data modeling approach typically used to facilitate and manage usual business applications. The OLTP captures, stores and processes data from transactions in real time. That is the similar process to the normalization process. That generally the normalization process that is called the split to the tables. Okay, that is the same process that is applicable to the OLTP. The third question is what is database? Generally, the database is a collection of objects such as tables, views, stored procedures, functions, etc. And another one definition is a database is a collection of data stored and retrieved from local or remote system. That is the main purpose for the database. We have to see about the different types of databases. Generally, the database types that is considered as centralized database, distributed database, relational database, and cloud database, and object oriented database. Particularly, the SQL Server is a relational database management system. Okay. The fourth question is what is the difference between system database and user database? The mainly we have to consider the SQL Server database is two types. One is system database and another one is user database. The system databases are created automatically for when you install the SQL Server. The system database, that is the automatic one, that is automatically that I have to create it. The another one, the second one is user database. The user database are created by them database users like you who have been granted access to create databases. That means we have to create the special, that means the individual users that have to create it for the user databases. Okay. The fifth question, what is SQL Server Management Studio? That is simply called SSMS. The SSMS is the main interface tool for SQL Server. The SSMS is on IDLE that provides the graphical user interface for connecting and working with SQL Server. The next question is what is SQL Profiler? The SQL Profiler is a tool which allows system administrator to monitor events in the SQL Server. This is mainly used to capture and save data about each event of a file or table for analysis. Okay, the next question, the constraints in SQL Server. The constraints, we have to consider the different types of constraints. The first, the definition for constraints. The constraints are used to specify the rules concerning data in the table, and it is applied for single or multiple fields in a SQL table during the creation, table creation. Okay, there is the call constraints. The for example of constraints is that is the check constraints, index, unique, and another one not null, primary key, foreign key, etc. Okay, the next question, the what is SQL agent? The SQL agent is the main important things for the SQL Server. The SQL agent is an integral part of SQL Server. The SQL agent handling variety of tasks such as database replication setup, backup automation, user permissions, and database monitoring. Okay, the next thing, what is collation? The collation is defined to specify the sort order in a table. That is, the bit patterns that represents each character in a data set. Okay, the another one definition is the collation is also determine the rules that sort and compare the data. Okay, the some examples that is represent for the case sensitive, case insensitive, and binary. The next, the final question is what is CDC? The CDC that is represent for change data capture, which is used to capture the data has been changed recently. The CDC records insert, update, and delete activity that applies to a SQL Server table, that is called on CDC. Okay, that one is the final question. The next further interview questions we have to discuss about the next video. Thank you for all.